everyone, welcome back to another Kids Craft Corner with the Hoka Ellington Memorial Library. My name is Miss Laura and today we're going to be creating a 3D unicorn. So in your craft supply kit that you picked up from the library, you have a roll of glue dots and then also the template for our 3D unicorn. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to color each piece of our unicorn, and we're also going to cut out all the pieces. Here we go. Okay friends, now that all of our pieces of our unicorn are colored and cut out, we can start putting our unicorn together. So the first thing we want to do is find our little cloud base. This is what we're going to build our 3D unicorn on. So I'm going to put that right in front of me. And then I'm going to find the body of my unicorn. So this was kind of that crazy looking rectangle piece that we had to cut out some semi-ovals there, and we colored in the hooves. So I'm going to fold my hooves so that my front hooves are folded forwards and my back hooves are going to be folded backwards. So all the hooves are sticking out. And we'll take the body of our unicorn and we're going to put a little half glue dot on each of our hooves, and we will bend it to stick it onto our cloud base. So let's go ahead and get our glue dots. Like I said, I'm going to cut my glue dots in half. I don't need a whole one of those hooves. Just going to stick a half glue dot on the bottom of each hoof. Go ahead and stick my front hoofs down so it kind of looks like our unicorn is doing a handstand there. And then we're going to stick our back hooves down. So we have kind of created a bridge with our unicorn body. Alright, so our next step is we're going to take the head, which again is kind of a crazy rectangle, has the words glue on it, and then our unicorn's face. So I'm going to put one glue dot on that word glue, and then I'm going to roll the head and secure it. So let's do that. I'm going to use a whole glue dot for this. Stick it down. And you might kind of have to reshape it so that you can see your unicorn's face. So we're going to now put a glue dot on the bottom of our head, kind of where we fasten them together, and attach it on our body. So we can kind of see our unicorn starting to take shape there. Okay, so we are going to use Again, probably cut our glue dots in half to attach our ears. And they also have little tabs to fold. And we'll stick those on the top of our head, and we're going to attach the mane. So I think I'm going to put my mane on first so I can put my ears on behind it. Cut a glue dot in half, one for each ear. I'm gonna stick my ears kind of behind my mane over to the side because we still have a horn to go behind the mane in the middle. Alright, so let's move on to our horn. So our horn is actually two-sided. We colored two little sides to our horn. So the first thing we're going to do is to glue those together with a glue dot. And we want to see our color on both sides. So let's do that first. I'm going to use a half a glue dot again. Stick my horn together, and then I'm going to fold that little tab. And use my other half a glue dot to attach the horn to the top of my unicorn's head. Alright, so my unicorn has a horn, his ears, and his mane. So the last thing we need is our tail. And again, just like with our horn, we're going to take the two pieces of our tail and stick them together front to back so that we've got color on both sides. And then I use my last glue dot. Again, we're going to fold that tab on the top of our tail and attach it to our unicorn that way so that our tail kind of sticks off our unicorn. And there we have it, our 3D unicorn. So we really hope you enjoyed this craft corner. Thanks so much for tuning in. And don't forget that tomorrow morning, which is Wednesday, at 10 a.m. we're going to have a interactive unicorn story time. So make sure to tune in. Thanks for joining, friends. We'll see you next week. Bye.